Welcome to the top best. The best magnetic laundry is probably one of the most innovative laundry solutions to hit the market, promising a revolutionary approach to washing clothes. Forget everything you think you know about traditional detergents because this system claims to harness the power of magnets to clean your clothes. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of magnetic laundry, exploring its features, benefits, and whether it's the right choice for your laundry needs. Number 5. Geniusidea Shirt Folding Board Easy Clothes Folder. This folding board is designed to solve your clothing organization problems. It's easy to use and helps you fold clothes quickly and efficiently. This tool will make your life easier. Made from tough PP composite material, it's built to last. It is anti-aging and can withstand years of use. You can count on it for a long time. It's perfect for folding t-shirts, sweaters, dresses, towels, and pants. It helps you organize your entire wardrobe with ease. It is a great helper for your family. No assembly is required, and it's easy to operate with one hand. Both adults and children can use it. It makes folding clothes simple and fun. When folded, it's compact and easy to store in a drawer or suitcase. The unfolded size is 27.16 by 22.44 inches, and can fold clothes of different sizes. It's perfect for travel or home use. What we like? This folding board makes folding clothes a breeze. It's made of tough PP material, ensuring it will last. If you have a lot of clothes to fold or want to save time and space, this is a great choice. It's perfect for anyone who wants a neat and organized wardrobe. What people say. As a mother of 4, this is lightweight. It's very easy to use. Kept my clothes organized. The design is perfect. I would recommend. Makes shirts look neatly folded and uniform. Super simple to use. Very compact and folds right up. Number 4. KEEPJOY 20 by 30 inch Hanging Laundry Hamper Bag. This hanging laundry hamper is made from high-density, waterproof 600D Oxford fabric. It's built to last, with reinforced stitching on the back zipper to prevent tearing and wear. Designed for long-term use, the hamper features reinforced hanging loops. It's also fully machine washable, making it easy to clean and reuse. This over-the-door hamper bag is designed for convenience. It has a wide opening for easy loading and a bottom zipper for quick unloading. When not in use, it folds flat for storage. The laundry hamper comes with 2 types of hooks. It includes stainless steel hooks for doors and adhesive hooks for walls. This allows you to hang it wherever is most convenient. This hanging laundry bag is not just for dirty clothes. It also helps you organize blankets, towels, socks, and toys. It's perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, living rooms, and dorm rooms. What we like? This hanging laundry hamper is built to last with its tear-resistant Oxford fabric. It's designed for easy loading and unloading, and comes with different hooks for versatile placement. If you are looking for a space-saving and convenient way to manage your dirty laundry, consider this. It's ideal for small spaces or anyone who wants to keep their laundry off the floor. What people say. The bin comes with stick-on hooks so you can hang it on a wall, or in my case a door, and from the price I was skeptical that they would be very good quality and was expecting to have to bolt my own hooks to my door, but I was pleasantly surprised. These hooks are very strong and are currently holding up almost an entire load of laundry perfectly fine. Was able to hold clothes for 3 people for 3 days worth before getting too full. The bag is sturdy, easy to hang most anywhere you want, and it looks nice. It's easy to unhook the bag and take it to the machine. And to make it even more fun and efficient, there's a zipper on the bottom so you can just dump the clothes in the washer without touching them again. Number 3. Persil Intense Fresh Laundry Detergent. This powerful liquid laundry detergent delivers a premium deep clean. It effectively removes odors and leaves your clothes fresh and clean after every wash. Experience long-lasting freshness with the Intense Fresh scent. It's designed to provide a pleasant aroma without being overpowering. You'll love how your clothes smell. This detergent is formulated with fabric care ingredients. It helps to prevent color fading, keeping your clothes looking vibrant and new for longer. It protects your fabrics while deep cleaning. This helps your clothes look newer, longer compared to other value detergents. It's a great choice for all your laundry needs. This 2x concentrated formula provides more cleaning power in every drop. You don't need to use as much to achieve a premium deep clean. It's efficient and effective. What we like. Persil laundry detergent offers a premium deep clean with every wash, removing odors and adding long-lasting freshness. It also helps prevent color fading, keeping your clothes looking newer, longer. If you like your clothes to be fresh and clean, this is the one for you. This is a great choice for anyone who wants a powerful and effective laundry detergent. What people say. The product is easy to use. The clothes come out clean. It is a great product. Number 2. Eltow Laundry Guard with Silicone Gap Cover. Tired of clothes disappearing behind your washer and dryer? This magnetic guard and silicone gap cover is the solution. It prevents items from falling into the gap, keeping your laundry room tidy. Featuring 8 powerful neodymium magnets, this guard provides a superior grip. It outperforms standard laundry barriers, ensuring it stays firmly in place. Designed for both single and side-by-side setups, this guard is versatile. It fits most machines, adding flexible organization to your laundry room. It is easy to install on flat, magnetic surfaces. Make sure you have the required clearance before purchasing. This laundry room accessory complements your setup. You can even use it on refrigerators for multi-purpose gap coverage. What we like. This magnetic guard prevents clothes from falling behind your washer and dryer. It uses strong magnets for a secure hold and fits most machines. If you have a laundry room and are tired of losing socks or small items, it's a must-have. It's a simple solution to a common laundry problem. What people say. The magnetic design is a game changer. Clothes come out clean and fresh. It's easy to use. Number 1. Laundry Cheat Sheet for Stain Removal. This laundry magnet is a helpful resource for any laundry room. It provides beginners with the confidence to tackle stains effectively. You can save time and reduce stress with quick and easy-to-follow solutions. Address messes promptly and effectively with this chart to preserve your clothing. It encourages careful consideration of which items should be hand-washed. The chart also explains in detail which ingredients to add to the washing process. This laundry symbols wall art is an invaluable tool for beginners. It provides newcomers with a clear and user-friendly guide to navigate stain removal. This makes the learning curve smoother and the laundry experience far less intimidating. From common spills to wax, ink, and sweat, this magnet is your all-encompassing guide. It's like having a stain removal expert on hand, ready to transform laundry mishaps into successful triumphs. This is perfect for college students and busy families. This laundry room art delivers the information on a strong magnet. The waterproof material is resistant to humidity and detergent. You can easily apply and remove this from your washer or dryer without leaving residue. What we like. This laundry cheat sheet simplifies stain removal with a clear guide to laundry symbols. It helps extend the life of your clothes by addressing stains promptly and effectively. If you are a beginner or want to learn more about laundry, this is a great tool. It's a helpful addition to any laundry room. What people say. The magnetic design is a game changer. Clothes come out clean and fresh. It's easy to use and set up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.